Tech, and I'm going to be doing an oil change today on this Honda Civic. Now we're going to keep our funnel here. We're going to remove our oil cap. And we're going to remove our dipstick.
Rules were last.
Right. We're going to keep everything right here on the hood so it can't be closed, so everyone knows that we are currently changing the oil. Now we're going to bring the vehicle up in the air.
All right.
Going up.
On a Tuesday. Only tonight is Wednesday. I like to act a little stupid. Ah!
My hand! On the locks.
On the locks. Good.
Alright, now I'm under the car. Gonna take off the drain plug bolt now. Now while that is happening, we're gonna go take off the oil filter.
Mm-hmm.
Now our oil filter is loose. Now you're going to want to check and make sure the gasket isn't stuck on the engine block, because double gasketing will cause a leak and it would be very bad for the vehicle. And then when you put the new filter on, you want to put a little bit of the oil around the gasket to lube it up. Now we're going to wait for the rest of the oil to drain. Alright, now since we already greased up our gasket on our filter with the oil and it's all lube, we are going to go and tighten our filter back on the vehicle.
How are we tightening it?
What?
You gotta tighten it by hand?
And you're going to hand tighten the filter on, and you want to tighten it snugly because it will get tighter as you drive on, and you don't want it to be too tight next time you change the oil, or else it's going to be terrible to get off. And once it's tight enough on there, our oil seems to be drained out most of the way. We would usually let the oil drain completely out, but for this video purpose, we are just showing you how to do it. And now we are going to tighten it back on. Torque wrench to torque down the bolt to the 33 foot-pound torque specs. Alright, now we are going to torque it down. Torque it down. And then right there would be it when you hear the click in the torque wrench. And now we are going to lower the vehicle back down and fill her up.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're back with the car lowered down. We're going to take our funnel and we're going to pour our new oil back into the car.
Since you've been in the business for a while.
Oil.
Now once we got our oil back into the car, we are going to put our cap back on. Now we're going to put our dipstick back in and make sure
That's
it's
what
all
she
the way
said.
down. Now we are going to check it. And we are at the mark that we should be, and we are good and full on oil. That is my oil change video for this Honda Accord.